Hello everyone. So today we are discussing about the report definition which we have used in a data page to retrieve latest 5 records and the last 5 records which was there in the previous video, right? Video link would be shared to you in the description, so you can go through that video so that you will understand this particular topic. Okay, so how do you do report definition? So let's open a report definition here. Yes, so if you see, a report definition was created under reports. Yes, so this was the report definitions, 3 report definitions which I took for a data page. So even I'll take the data page now. Yeah, so this is the data page which we have seen. So we have 3 logics over here: top choice, bottom choice, and report definition. So now what I do, I'll take this all records. So all records is the report definition to get all records, so it automatically comes. So we didn't do anything much in this report definition. So let's go back to top 5 hotel cases. So this is the top 5 hotel cases. So here also, if you see, there is nothing regarding filters, nothing we have added. It is also similar, but only one thing which we added over here is this option: display top ranked, right, 5 rows overall based on px create date time. Okay, so based on the created date px create date time, I am asking to retrieve top 5 records. So this will retrieve top 5 records. If you see, these are the top 5 records, and similar to the last 5 records, you can see there is a bottom over here, bottom ranked 5. So overall px creation date time. So you have 2 options here for each group also. So whenever you take for each group, then in the report viewer, you have to select this grouping result. So based on this grouping result, top ranked values would be coming up for each group. Top 5 will be coming up. So now if you look, there are some 23 records you got. You didn't get all 5 records. If you see, there are only 22 records. So based upon the case ID, you can get the details. So this is how you do the for each group, and also based on certain based upon the overall option. So I took overall option and worked on this. So these two report definitions were added on these things. So for this when rule, you have to pass the parameter, that is param.choice. In when rule also, as we have shown you in the previous video, you have to write the param.choice is equal to bottom. So this we are going to why I am taking this is, whenever I run this particular D page, you can see choice here. So based on the choice, this choice will be sent to when rule, and if that when rule is true, that particular report definition would be retrieving. So this is how you do the report definition. Thank you.